Salam Rahayu. How to differentiate between true purpose of life and the worldly purpose on our desire. There is only one purpose for our birth. Really safe, cleanse genetic gender, deliverance from sin imprint, achieve perfection through sublimation. Before we talk further about this, please press subscribe, like, and share button. This is the only purpose of birth. If we understand who we are, we can actually understand the purpose of our birth. The whole universe functions with gravity and subatomic energy particle. Every imprint is a characterization of the subatomic energy particle only. This characterization in the form of imprint must be released. The subatomic energy particle will merge with the almighty force. How can release itself? It can do so when its undangerous offset transition either in this own evolution. It must reduce its speed of function and start to disintegrate to become one with the almighty force, and external force must be applied, forcing the release of the magnetic knot. Such a magnetic force that bombards the knot is our pain, difficulties, and miseries in life. Such as imprint is called unseen imprint. That which had us or other know out in the future, physically or mentally, is a seen imprint. Such a seen imprint must be released from use. How do we release it? There are three methods: expiation, neutralization, superimposition. Expiation is doing good to others, saying sorry to others so that others will forgive us for our mistake. Then our sin imprint will get released from use by meditation. We neutralize sin imprint. Past, present, and future imprint can be neutralized. No further contamination of the genetic gender is possible in our lifetime. If we meditate on a regular basis on our own life, first, superimposition. The brain has network. It from network based on our action, thoughts, word, and deed. The good news in the brain has plasticity. It can rewire itself. It continuously adjusts itself over time. The neuroplasticity can be exercised at will to create new neural network that will supplement the all functioning of the mind throughout all sinful behavior. By analyzing our thoughts, word, and deed, we can discriminate what is harmful. We can increase the power of the good and reduce the power of the bad or sinful imprint. Negative imprint will get weakened and they get weakened. The positive imprint will gain strength, all imprint will get released. The process of salvation must be achieved in our lifetime. To do so, we must live long. How do we do so? We do not live with nature anymore. We do not pluck fruit, harvest vegetables, and eat them as they are. We want them to be cooked, garnished with spice, presented nicely, processed well for our enjoyment. Therefore, we need the help of other human beings. We don't use natural products for clothing. We love wonderful dress, colorful designer clothing. We fear and designer. We don't live under a tree or in a cave. We need a house. Someone need to build it. We need food, clothes, shelter. Someone need to give them to us. We must learn to work with society. We must respect society. Society will feed us, clothe us, shelter us. How will society to do it? We must work in return. In gratitude, the work we do to repay the dues for society is our duty. Duty for a human in society is paramount. All human laws are designed to maintain the duty consciousness in us. However, in the process of removal of sin imprint, it is not only the tree need to be cleansed. We might not be able to cleanse our genetic center all by ourselves. Therefore, there is a natural inclination to produce children. In order to do so, we need a partner of the opposite sex. When we enjoy a physical relationship with a partner, there will be pregnancy and child will be born. Who will take responsibility for taking care of the child? The society step in to offer law and custom. They tell us to get married. Commit to taking care of the children only. Do you start to enjoy? Therefore, the institution of marriage, which lead to another institution called family. We need to respect our family. We need to learn to live together with our life partner and children. We need to fulfill our duty for ourselves, family, society, and world community. But none of these duties must result in conflict with our spiritual duty. Our spiritual goal is salvation and self-realization. As long as we understand all these duties must be in harmony. Duty to serve family, society, world community, Almighty force. When that is in harmony without any conflict. There is no difference between spiritual duty and worldly duty. Our desires lead to greed. Greed lead to anger, miserliness, lust, vanity, and vengeance. It leads to sinful action, further contaminating our soul. We continue to live in illusion. To get rid of illusion, we need to get rid of attachment. Attachment comes because of ego. We must get rid of ego. Removing ego will remove illusion and sin imprints. To remove the contamination of the soul, we need a systematic psychic practice, such as practice is Kundalini meditation. When you meditate regularly, you begin to realize who you are. Your duty to serve family, words, community, Almighty force begin to engineer your life without conflict, leading to salvation and perfection. You may contact us on +62 819 629402 for having the deep quality of Kundalini meditation to know your purpose of life. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.